Hey everybody, I'm Esther from ESSYCOOKS, and in this video we're going to be making the viral blueberry yogurt bites. So these are frozen, they're chocolate covered, and they are all over TikTok and Instagram. Now, I heard a lot of people say that they were super boring with just the yogurt, blueberry, and chocolate. So we're going to be adding some peanut butter in, which is just going to add a lot more flavor to it and make them even extra delicious. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make these. Alright, so our ingredients are super simple. We just have a cup of fresh blueberries that have been washed and dried. We have a third cup of vegan yogurt, so you want it to be a full fat one in order to get the best flavor out of this. I am just using the PC one. It's not sponsored or anything. This is just the vegan yogurt that I could find. PC always comes through with the vegan products. I love their stuff, but it is a Canadian company. I know that, I think it's Riviera is a really good vegan yogurt brand. You can use any yogurt that you have on hand that is a full fat yogurt. And then I have a quarter cup of all natural peanut butter. It can be crunchy or smooth, doesn't really matter. And we're gonna be melting 3/4 cup of dark chocolate to dip these in, but first we're gonna mix this up and freeze it. So next up here, I have just a baking sheet, a cookie sheet lined with some parchment paper, or if you have a reusable silicone pad, even better. I really need to get one of those. 1 cup of blueberries, 1/3 cup of vegan yogurt, and 1/4 cup of all natural peanut butter. My peanut butter is a little thick, but that's okay. All right, I've got that all in the bowl, and I'm gonna just mix it together. All right, now just using a spoon, we're gonna drop 6 clusters onto the parchment paper here, and then we're gonna throw them in the freezer. So like a big heaping tablespoon should do the trick there. And the little clusters don't have to be perfect. You just kind of want them in a round-ish formation. So these are ready to pop in the freezer. We're gonna freeze them. Sometimes these are ready in about 30 to 45 minutes, but usually I just leave them for an hour. That way they are guaranteed frozen, and then they are ready for us to dip them in the delicious chocolate coating. Right, into the freezer we go. Double boiler to melt your chocolate, but I am just gonna place it in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time to melt it that way, and just stir it every 30 seconds and it'll be melted in no time. Okay, these are perfectly frozen and we are ready to do the fun part, which is dipping them in the chocolate. So I have my melted chocolate here, and I have a fork just to pull them out, so I'm just going to plop that right into the chocolate mixture, and I want to fully coat them. Like, I want them to be totally covered in chocolate. And I just use the fork to sort of strain off any extra chocolate there like that. And I'm going to place it right back on the baking sheet. So I'm just going to gently drop that. Look at how good that looks. Woo. Just for looks, just on each of these. This is totally optional, but just look at how beautiful it looks. Okay, it's time for the taste test, long-awaited taste test. Cheers. Matthew. That's not bad.
Very nice.
Like a frozen yogurt.
Yeah.
Peanut butter blueberry treat. I like it.
Worth it.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video on how to make these blueberry frozen yogurt blueberry chocolate covered bites. I hope you guys love this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.